Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Sidekick Multitool from Leatherman and 3 things you need to know about this. Thing number 1, it's 14 tools in one, but they're substantial tools. Unlike some of the other multi-tools that are a little smaller, this one's going to be able to stand up to some significant use or maybe even a little bit of abuse depending on the situation you're in. Thing number 2, this is set up for one-hand access. So if you know someone who has some motor challenges with one of their hands, there's a good chance they can still use this because it is set up for one hand, or once you get the tool open you need it. Leatherman has really thought this one through. But thing number 3 should surprise you, and this is why I look at Leatherman a lot when I'm looking for different kinds of multi-tools. They're the only company I know that offers a 25-year warranty. And this is not my first Leatherman. I've got another one that has seen better days, but you know what? It's still working. And that says something, because a lot of things now are made to where they're made to hopefully last through the warranty period, and that's it. Leatherman is not one of those. And this is one of the few companies I would jump at the chance to tour their factory, because the quality I see in the 2 products that I have for them makes me really want to look at the manufacturing, because I just love being a student of that kind of. But I'm sorry, I've rambled on. This is something well worth taking a look at. It's very handy. You may want to get several of them. Leave one in the glove box, or have a portable kit you take with you where this is a part of that. Even if you don't go camping, if you're out working in the backyard or whatever the possibility may be, you may find that the Leatherman may just be the ticket that you've been looking for. So take a close look at it and think about getting one today.